Hey, g'day everyone, this is Daniel O'Grady. Welcome to another WasabiCars video. Hope you're doing well, and we are in Tenzan ski resort actually for a bit of a drift day. I'm not entirely sure how successful my narration's going to be, but I'm going to show you some cars. We'll get to the track in just a sec. Yeah, so a live video on YouTube, not something I do every day. Anyway, let's see some cars in action. Just a sec. Shenanigans. Oh, the smell of smoke. Did I hear a crunch? Yeah, so I don't know how interactive this is, people, but if you have any comments, how do I see live chat? The Northern Drift, g'day, nice, yeah, it's a beautiful day today, thanks for joining me too. Any old Datsuns? I wish they were. So many distractions here. Oh my god. So as for cars, nothing too old, you know, S chassis, Skyline A86. I can't hear Jack. Oh my god. Oh, g'day, Flavian. This is Tenzan ski resort in Saga Prefecture. Oh. Yeah, look, I'm afraid I don't know where to look, but it's a ski resort. Okay, I need a bit of quiet time, people. I've just gotten here, and I reckon we just have a bit of a look around, and we'll get back to some drift action a bit later, or I might just do a video on bloody Instagram or something. But anyway, let's see what we can see in the pits. Okay. Any old E70 Corollas or A60 Supras? I'm gonna say there's not, but we'll have a bit of a look. Oh shit. Yeah, nothing too old, I'm afraid. Thanks for joining me. Good morning. It'd be morning, wouldn't it? Skyline, Silvias, and yes, yeah, absolutely. Oh, a TRD. Oops. TRD version. You can mix your cocktails up in there. G'day, Frank. Even any seen any headlight intake mods? Wow. Okay. Well, there you go. There you go, look at that. Not quite what I think you mean, but shit, that's clean. Very nice. Chile, hello. Land of Anger. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you're well. Oof. Looks like it's growing steel wool. I'll tell you what, live camera work is difficult. Shaky camera. Ah. Cha. Cha. Ah. Cha. I mean, I'm a bit cynical, but some are friendly and some are just, yeah. Oh, not bad. Frank T, where am I? I am at a place called Tenzan Ski Resort in Saga Prefecture. So there's the 4 islands of Japan go west, west, west. There's that island on the end, and the northern part of that. So I've never been to Ebisu or anywhere. I live far, far away. Anyway, let's just keep on looking. Funky helmet. Not too much interesting up here. The blue. Yeah, man, that K11. Are you following Reckless over on Instagram? REK11ESS Instagram. Say hello from me. So we're heading back to the main area. West Laurel. Gee, even that sounds grunty. Have you met Alexi yet? We've chatted online a couple of times, but I mean, we're just in different parts of the world, you know, like he's near Tokyo or in Tokyo, and I'm like, I've never been to Tokyo, man. Hello from, wait a minute, North Dakota, good morning. Matsuoda. Good afternoon from Sydney. Blake, oh, good day Blake, sorry man. Happens to people who don't recover their cars from the Yebasa graveyard. Do you know what happens? Oh, nah. I don't know, man. Like, I mean, as you can imagine, or maybe you can't, I get asked a lot about cars and they're sitting there and can people take them or can they get a rough one? I want a car, but it's not expensive, etc., etc. And like, it complicates my life to find out because I got a full-time job, of course, a family. I'm making videos, you know, and chasing cars, and you know, it's just doesn't bring me joy, you know. But I don't know. Eventually crushed. Cool, sort of funky this one. Love the videos, can't wait to see more road. Oh yeah, man, more Mazdas road. How do you get most of your leads on those cars you find sitting? Well, I do the hard work, man. I jump in my car and I drive around and look for them. I mean, occasionally, a couple of times I have gotten some tips. Even someone was on looking at Google Maps from Australia, and they said, "Hey Dan, there's a Datsun 120Y." I think these guys are from Sasebo, I believe. So yeah, but usually I just got to jump in my car. That's why I'm sort of running out of places to visit, because there's only so many times I can go over the same roads. And that guy in the way is Dustin from Excite Video Magazine. I think he's going to make love to it. Nah.
Yes.
Some not safe for work content there. 3 fingers deep. No, that's not it. Yeah, man, so many foreigners. Audio problems, yeah, man. It is what it is, I'm afraid. I'm walking around with an iPhone. Like, this isn't Speed Hunters. Well, I'm glad it could have been the wind, I guess, coming across at a certain angle. Anyway, we might get back to the track. Alexi, wait a minute, and Dan do a vid together. Aussies Unite. Well, the closest we got to even meeting, I guess, was it was at the D1 event at Autopolis. We'll get back to the track. And he was in the booth in the tower, and I was sort of amongst the plebs downstairs. And yeah, so wow, look before you leap. Is there a graveyard you can look at this track? Oh, not this track, because this is a ski resort. There's no question about that. Wait a sec, something's going on. I think they're having a bit of a rest for a sec. So nothing here, but at Autopolis, for example, there is a garage which sort of doubles as a graveyard, and I've been through that heaps of times. Yeah, they're waiting for something. It's not an actual track. Yeah, it really is a car park. So in winter, yeah. Something's up. Okay, maybe they'll give it a bit. I'm loving the rear wing, but also the roof rack of this one. Oh, the smell of rubber. Look everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to jump over to maybe Instagram Live or Facebook or something and do the same thing. Everyone, thank you so much for joining me. Hope you saw my latest vid. Can you see what's up with that 11 when it gets off the track? That one? Yeah, man. Yeah, I'll get some pics and videos of whatever cars I can see, yep. So everyone, thank you so much, bye, yep. And as soon as I figure out how to turn this off, we are done.